Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's July 29th, coming at you with another video here. Today we're going to give an update on Profit Engine. We're going to be looking at the crypto trading algorithms, and I've previously given a video on this. If you're interested in that, please look at the tab and click on that. Again, as usual, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and use this for educational purposes. And I have my own funds into this, so if you are interested, make sure you do your research and look at this. And if you like my content, do like and subscribe, and we'll continue on with these updates as they come along. So as I mentioned, we're going to look at their crypto piece. They do have an FX. They're into the forex trading. You can connect your MT4 or MT5 accounts to that. We have not covered that up to this point. We're just looking at their crypto trading. They have three algorithms that are trading on that, and it's been going for 6 weeks where we've been actively being able to invest in this, and they have data back to February, and you can see the performance since the start here is 24.4%. And they're getting a good monthly return, and we'll get into those as well. This is their website if you need to, profitengine.info, and this is their dashboard that they have. The current token price needs to be updated. They actually sold the most recent at 0.00275, so they are releasing batches of this as they go forward. So what do we have for updates here? So we had a distribution award, so they weekly provide BUSD rewards for you, and we can see from the account here. So what happened this week? They had $6,728 distributed. So out of the protocol that they have, and that came in BUSD into your wallet. All you have to do is hold the tokens. You need at least $100 worth, which is currently, well, it was 40,000 tokens, and the price has gone up, so you don't even need to hold 40,000 tokens anymore. So they've had a lot of their investors compound it. You see 265K. So this is what they have for trading value. It's gone up from 200,000 up to 465,000 in their trading algorithms. And their current weekly return has been 2.4%, averaging over 6 weeks. Now, this is a little bit on the high side. This week, they've got 1.8%, and their actual target when they started out was 4.8% per month. So they've actually almost doubled what they're trying to do on weekly returns. So the 1.8 kind of equates to more to what they're looking for, and you can see here the weekly BUSD that's been paid out. Week 4 was really strong, and we're kind of in their week 5 and 6 is been kind of right in the average pocket that they've been in. So they're actually overperforming on their averages, and those estimates were probably somewhat a little bit low. So the challenge now is that in order to get into this, they are only releasing smaller batches of tokens, and as we go forward, these are actually going to switch to NFTs, which is kind of part of the update that we want to give as well. So stick around for that, and we'll give kind of an overview on the NFTs as well. So here we are, like this week, 1.8%, and you say that they've been going up, averaging 2.4. So as I said, they released only 5K of supply this week, and they upped the price to 20275, and this sold out in like 10 minutes. So if you want to get in on this one, you're going to have to be around on a Friday to get in when they release the batches. You only send right now they send the BUSD to the wallet, and then they actually release those tokens within 24 hours, and they're going to be switching over to an NFT as I mentioned. So what are we going to do with that? Let's talk about a little bit about the NFTs and where that's going to be going. So how are they going to do it? Well, okay, we'll quickly look at their roadmap. So they've taken 3 months. They've launched their fuel token, which is switching to an NFT. They have their FX Nitro platform, which is in the forex side. And if you want to get into that, you connect your accounts up to that, and you pay a £100 fee to that monthly to get into that, and you can connect that, and that's a piece which will go. They're testing new algorithms, so they're looking at going the regulated route when they go down this, and which is why they're going to release the NFTs, and down the road they want to add additional algorithms. So that's all part of it going forward. Now let's get into the NFT update. They're going to have 6 levels of NFTs. So depending on how many tokens you hold, fuel, you'll get dropped. They have a 2K, a 5K, 25K, 50K, 100K, and a 250K fuel. So these NFTs will be dropped to you. So if you own 50,000, you'd get the 150,000 token NFT, and if you have, like, say you have 101,000, they'll drop you 100K token, and then they're supposed to be rounding up, so you'll get a 2K token. So they're not going to try and shortchange anybody that's there, but so you'll get these NFTs, and they'll be minted, and then down the road they've partnered with Master Key Finance, and you'll be able to actually be able to list your tokens on their platform that they're going to have there, or you can put it on any other NFT platform. The one advantage of going with Master Key Finance is that the NFT will stay in your wallet and earn while you have it listed. So if you want to utilize it there in September, when I think August or September, when MasterKey is going to have their actual NFT platform up, then you can list it there, and you'll still earn on a weekly basis. And if you got it up for sale, if you put it somewhere like OpenSea, usually they take possession of your NFT, so you won't be able to get your weekly BUSD rewards. So that's just something to keep in mind as well. And if you want, the word is we're going to be able to split up these NFTs. So say you have a 25,000 NFT and you want to sell, you get 5K ones, so you can sell one of them and keep 20. So you'll be able to split them up and get a smaller denomination, so you can actually sell it off down the road as the price appreciates if you want to get some profits that way. So those are kind of the NFTs that we have, and they're going to be working through Ignite. QR is the platform that they're going to have. So I'll try and make this a little bit bigger. So they're minting dApps, so you get them, and then you automatically still part of the trading pool, just as you are with the tokens right now. And then the BUSD goes into your wallet. So if we look at the supply here, currently they're selling this 50% of the supply. This is already out there. The 45% is already out there. So the 5K came out of this 50% at 0.0275, and they are looking at increasing that price weekly, or every 10% of the supply, I should say. So it might not go up to higher. Well, anyways, they may increase it. This is kind of, if we look at this, this used to be part of their document about a week or two ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, where they listed the phase of prices. So they're going to take 10% of the remaining supply, of that 50%. So 5% each, and they were going to keep increasing the price. So they did 0.0275 this last week, and that was their first sale. And then phase two, whenever they get to that. So they may increase the price next week. They may hold it at 0.0275 because this is just kind of a guide that they had for where they wanted to go, and they, depending on buy and sell demand, they'll right now they'll increase the prices they kind of see fit, and their plans are not to flood the market. So if you do have an NFT that you want to sell in the secondary market, if they see a lot of those NFTs out there once they're actually dropped and active, that they won't the plan of they're not planning on releasing more of the tokens or NFTs by the if the community has a lot for sale. So they want to make sure that you can actually sell your NFTs, and the value, as you can see, is going to go up double and triple in price, right? So almost by the end it'll be in 2.5x if they if they keep increasing that price, and it's a limited supply. So while you can now, it's a little bit harder to get in because, like I say, they only released 5K of the token this past week, and they're going to be going to the NFT drop here pretty soon. So if you're interested in that, definitely get into they do have a Telegram, and they also have a Discord as well. I just wanted to show you the weekly rewards here more on a numbers basis. So you saw it in the pie chart as well. So as you can see, everything's been good. They had a couple great weeks, and now they've kind of getting more to their averages, which is what I expected. Not necessarily that they're going to do bad per se, but they have it, and that they're also going to be creating a pool as well. They're a reserve fund for when they do have down weeks, maybe if they're negative or closer to zero, that they can supplement that, and they already have almost $4,000 in that reserve fund pool. So they take a small percentage of their earnings each week, put it into that reserve pool, and that's there to back the weeks that when you don't always win in trading every week. So they have that going forward, so that we can have a buffer where if there's a down week, we'll still get some returns from this. So I'm liking the things for Profit Engine that are going down. Definitely take a look at this one. Get into their website, Profit Engine, that I'll have listed in my in my YouTube down below, and they also have a Telegram and a Discord, which I'll have connected to this video as well. So this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. If you do like my videos, again, please like and subscribe. Always looking forward to bringing you more content.